Hello YouTube. It is Berbizooka. Rejuvenates the skin, removes stones from the gallbladder and kidneys, improves eyesight, and not only. Tomato is the favorite vegetable of many people. It is used for making delicious salads, soups, sauces and other dishes, as it stands out with a bright characteristic taste. Most likely this vegetable is in your kitchen. Tomato juice is very useful for the body, but, unfortunately, very few people know this fact. Its use can help you replenish vitamins in the body and rejuvenate the skin. Like many natural products, tomato juice is easy to prepare and it is quite economical. Take care of yourself, use natural means and will be healthy. We want to motivate you to use it, because it effectively strengthens the body. Here are some of its main advantages. 1. We got vitamins. Tomato juice contains a large amount of vitamins A and B. Regularly using it, you can prevent certain diseases of vision while strengthening the immune system. 2. Protects the heart. Tomato contains a high level of vitamin B6, which strengthens the circulatory system and cancels the production of compounds harmful to blood vessels. 3. The level of cholesterol. The fiber of this fruit counteracts high cholesterol. 4. Lose weight. Tomato juice has a rich effect on the body, so it helps to consume less food. Its nutrients are necessary for the proper functioning of the body. 5. Cleans the body. Chlorine and sulfur, which contains tomato, are necessary for detoxifying organs. The most effective tomatoes purify our liver and kidneys. It helps to prevent various diseases caused by toxins. 6. Helps protect skin health. Eating tomato juice on an empty stomach, you get a huge impact on the body. Its properties and antioxidants improve the skin and its health, and also struggle with the effects of free radicals. Thus, tomatoes rejuvenate the skin and fight wrinkles. Prepare tomato juice. It only takes a few minutes, but its advantages are worth it. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.